Secret society. Oh yes, it's true. All we got is love. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Hey guys, so I'm back again with another video, and don't hate me, but this tutorial was actually supposed to be up since about New Year's, because this is how I wore my hair on New Year's. But you know, stuff happened, I got busy, and I didn't have time to edit this video. So I thought, since Valentine's Day weekend is coming up, it'd be the perfect tutorial for, you know, you ladies to do your hair for all your date nights and whatever. Have you guys looking snatched and whatever. Okay. Anyways, okay, I'm just talking too much. But anyways, so if you guys have watched my previous video, I'll link it somewhere in the description box as well as somewhere in the video if you haven't. But my hair is blown out, and I used, what was it, the Revlon One Step. You're gonna see it like right here. Here we go. Yeah, that's the blow dryer I used. It's not on right now. I'm just using it to brush my hair because I couldn't find a brush. But anyways, that's what I used to get my hair blown out in this state. So definitely check out that video. But now I'm just taking this wand, this curling wand that I have. This is by some random brand that I got in my beauty supply store. I think it's called a Red, or Kiss by Red, or something like that. I don't know. I'll leave a link in my description box, or I'll get one similar to it if I can't find the actual one. But anyways, I just took my heat protectant that I always use, the same Tresemme one that you guys always see in all my videos. So I took that and I sprayed it in that section. And then now I'm just combing my hair just to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. And I'm just putting on the glove that actually came with the curling wand so you don't burn yourself. And I think my section's like, I don't know, like an inch or so. I actually ended up doing smaller sections than the one that you see in this clip right now. So you'll see that later on, because this one was a little bit too big for my liking. But yeah, just my sections were like, I don't know, 1 inch, maybe half an inch or something. Then this is a 1 inch wand that I'm using, by the way. I'm like all over the place. Sorry, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. I'm just taking my curling wand. I'm curling my hair downwards. Like the point. What am I talking about? The curling wand is curling wand. Oh my god. Can I talk today? The curling wand, I'm pointing it like downwards, and then I'm wrapping my hair around the section, or around the curling wand, and then I'm holding it for like 10 seconds, I want to say, maybe 10 seconds. If your hair can't handle that much heat, or if your hair can't handle being on the wand for 10 seconds, then do whatever, put it on the curling wand however long your hair can stand. Don't listen to me and do 10 seconds and you know your hair is thin and your hair can't handle that, and then you have your hair dropping off or burning off the one. Don't be like that girl. We all seen that video when she was trying to teach us how to curl her hair and the girl burned off her hair. Don't be that girl, okay? Know how much heat your hair can stand and go accordingly, okay? I did about 10 seconds, but do whatever your hair can withhold, okay? Okay. I don't want to hear nobody coming for me in the comments, okay? Okay. But anyways, I'm just pretty much doing that all around my head, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I guess you guys will just, you know, watch me finish my hair. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you guys want me to do a tutorial on the makeup look that you guys seen in the beginning of the video, and you're gonna see it again in the end of the video, let me know in the comments down below. I didn't record it, but I don't have a problem doing it again and just recording it for you guys. But I don't know, like lately I haven't been really wanting to film makeup videos, because everyone always asks me how I do my makeup, but then I do a makeup video and nobody watches it. So I don't know. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see how I got that makeup look in the beginning of the video, and I'll definitely record that for you guys. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video, I parted my hair to the side that I wanted it on. So make sure you guys do that before you guys get to this point. But I'm pretty much done at this point. It took me like, I don't know, maybe like an hour to do all this. So yeah, it's kind of quick-ish. Not really. Right now I'm just running my hands through my hair just to fluff out some of the curls. But that's pretty much it. Look here, I'm feeling myself. Yes, girl. If you thought I was feeling myself here, wait for this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Watch me put on my makeup and watch me slay this look. Watch. Oh, sorry. I'm just showing you guys how bouncy my hair is, but wait for the slayage. Just wait for it. Bam! There it is. Look at me slay this look. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, again, let me know if you guys want to see this makeup look in the description box down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.